Hi Miss, my name is Cindy Wong from group 1617. The part that I in charge is part 1 introduction. So now I'll explain to you what is the if-else statement and the switch statement. The if-else statement executes a block of code if a specific condition is true. If the condition is true, another block of code can be executed. The if-else statement is the part of JavaScript conditional statements, which are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. So, in JavaScript, there are 4 conditional statements. The first is use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specific condition is true. The second one is use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. The third one is use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is true. If the first condition is false. The last one is use switch to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. So that is if-else statement. And now I'll explain to you what is the switch statement. The switch statement is a flow of control statement that is similar to the if-else statement. You use the switch statement to control the complex conditional operations. Each case in the switch statements execute the corresponding statement if the expression equals the value. The break keyword causes the execution to jump out of the switch statement. If you omit the break keyword, the code execution falls through the original case into the next one. If the expression does not match any value, the default statement will be executed. It behaves like the else block in the if-else statement. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello Miss, my name is Dong Xiang and today I want to discuss about if-else statement. So the if-else statement executes a block of code if a specific condition is true. If the condition is false, another block of code can be executed. So the if-else statement is a part of JavaScript condition statement, so which are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. So in JavaScript have the following condition statement is first is use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition is true. So for our example, this is the if statement we use in our example. So next is use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. So if your condition is not in this site, so we use the if else statement to continue the test. So this is for our example, this is the else if statement. So we don't have else statement because our condition statement will continue to run it. So that's all for this video. Thank you.
Hello, my name is To Chening and today I would like to explain about the if-else statement for second example. I use the BMI to do this one if-else statement. First, we want to declare the variable weight, height, BMI and category, and then we prompt the user to key in the weight. And use password because we want to make the user key in the number is number. Height also same more. BMI, the calculation is weight divided by height over 100 times height over 100. So if the BMI less than 18.5, the category is underweight. Else, if BMI bigger or equal than 18.5 or BMI less than or equal to 24.9, the category is normal weight. L is the BMI bigger or equal to 25 or BMI less than or equal to 29.9, the category is overweight. Else, if BMI bigger than 30, the category is obesity. So the document right here, I use a breakfast. So the display will, your height is height. Point to fix 2 is mean that 2 decimal place. This one also same. So I do the example. I put the weight is 19 and the height is 150 cm. So the BMI is 8.44. The category is underweight. The next example, 49 kg, 159 cm height. So the category is normal weight. 159 cm, 49 kg, BMI 19.38, so it is normal weight. 100 kg, 150 height, so it's obesity because the BMI is bigger than 30. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi Miss, my name is Tan Ju Seng. So now I'm gonna explain about the switch case example 1. For here the var grade and the class name is to declare the variables of the grade and the class name. For here the grade equal to prompt and enter grade is for user to key in their grade. For here the switch grade is example like is show out the case and the output of the case. For example, like case A, my class name will become Mera. For case B, my class name will become Jingga. For case C, my class name will become Guneng, and case D, class name is become Hijau. Case E, class name become Biru. Case F, class name become Indigo. And if for other grades like G or R, the class name will become invalid due to it's not in the case. And for the document right, it will show out your grade is what and your class is what. For example, like if I key my grade is A, the document right will show out my grade is A and the class is Mera. For others, if I put in key in R, the class is become invalid due to it's out of the case. So that's all from me. Thank you, Miss.
Hi, my name is Bang Zhen Yang. Today I want to talk about a switch case example 2. So first thing we need to ask the user to state it, the month first and the date. Second, we need to also ask the user to enter the month number, which is 1 under 12, and say it by month. So after asking the users to enter the input, we using the switch case function to run this program. So first thing, when the user is enter 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12, the date display will become 31 day. And second, when the users will enter in 4, 6, 9, 11, the date will become 30 day and display it. And last is the special for the February is when the user is entered 2, the date will become 28 or 29th day. And the last is the default, the date will display become invalid. So finish the switch case, we will display the output using the document.write and display the output will become date R, and the date is the user will input the number and following the switch case for display it, and the become for in the month. So now I will show about the output. So first we need to enter the month of number, which is 1 until 12. So give an example, we enter 2 and the display will become date R 28 or 29 day in the month. So this is output for the example 2. So that's all for me. Thank you.